Before I start this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification, because absolutely our target is just in only 15,000 subscribers. So I hope you will do this easily now. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. All right, my brother, Axie Infinity, one of the fastest cryptocurrency in the crypto market, and this time definitely all holders are waiting, my friends, for good performance. So I hope they will do this now, but my friend, and those days especially minus 1.22% they are lost. So it's a very bad fails, but don't worry, my friend. This is not better to if they just only lost $1 $2 because they will just only recover 5 to 10 USD in one day now. So therefore I'm very impressed and I am so happy from this coin, my friends. But I hope if you are lost, so definitely you will be completely, my friends, fail completely in the loss, my friends. So therefore I will notify you to please, if you just only subscribe this channel, I will give you 100% guarantee you will never lost. My brother, this time Axie Infinity will get a very huge profit just in only in the same time as you can see here. But in this month you can see, my friend, absolutely in the start of this month you can see here from September 2 they will moving upward. But after that, my friend, you can see from September 6 to 11 this coin will go and they go up, which very badly fades down. So therefore I am 100% sure they will move upward, but very badly now. I hope, my friends, to you will be enjoyed this. But please, my friend, if you want to get a profit, so it's a very good time, my friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.